This is the Coffee Cannon Pod Pistol, a magazine fed, bolt action, trigger activated coffee pod dispenser. I'm Dan Pronk, and I'm the founder and co-owner of Coffee Cannon.
I'm Dustin Osborne, and I'm the co-owner of Coffee Cannon. So the Pod Pistol is our solution to the boring and mundane coffee pod storage systems that are available today.
The idea behind Coffee Cannon came to me a few years ago now when I was working with Army Special Operations. I was spending a bit of time around guns, a lot of time around bullets, and drinking a lot of pod coffee at the time. And it occurred to me that there was a lot of similarities between the shape of a bullet and the shape of a coffee pod. So they were both sort of somewhat tapered at the top and flat at the bottom. And my mind got thinking that you could do something with that in the forms of a novelty device to capitalize on the similarities in shape.
And it was from here that the Coffee Cannon Pod Pistol was created.
The Pod Pistol's been designed and created for the firearms coffee enthusiast alike, with spring-loaded magazines, bolt action, and a 2-specification Picatinny rail for your favourite firearms accessory. The Pod Pistol's going to kill the mundane and add a little bit of fun to that morning ritual of making your first cup of coffee.
So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for supporting our campaign. Please get on board if you're keen. If you don't own a coffee machine, you're not a coffee drinker or a gun lover, but you still want to support the campaign, have a look at grabbing yourself a t-shirt or a hat or some of the other merchandise. But if you do own a K-Cup machine and you're a gun lover, then look into doing yourself a favor and grab yourself a pod pistol. We really appreciate your support, and thank you for helping us make this dream a reality. Cheers.